This is the VANON Pro replacement 20-volt 6 amp hour battery for DeWalt Tools. Let's take it out of the box. In the box, you get the operator's manual and the battery itself. So like I said before, this is a replacement for DeWalt tool batteries, specifically the 20-volt Max series batteries, and it will also handle the 20-volt XR batteries as well. It's a 6 amp hour battery. There's a battery meter right on that. You press the button on it and it shows the state of charge, just like that. Fits your DeWalt tools as such, just like the original one would. And this is also compatible with many other type of DeWalt batteries. I'm going to cut away to that and show you that on the screen, what batteries it's compatible with. If you see the number of your existing DeWalt battery, then this battery will work in its place. So here is a generic DeWalt battery charger, and this will fit on just like an original DeWalt tool. Snap it on there and the light shows up right there to show that it's charging. Now, VANON also makes batteries for other power tools out there, such as Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Works, Craftsman, and Bosch. But in the meantime, let's take this outside, put it on my leaf blower. So here's my leaf blower, and here is the VANON battery, but it doesn't fit, and that's because this leaf blower does not take DeWalt batteries. However, out there, available from many different companies, are adapter plates like this. And very simply, with that, we can put this on the VANON battery, and that will go on the leaf blower, and we're ready to go. So once again, this was the VANON Pro replacement 20-volt 6 amp hour battery for DeWalt Tools. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find this item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.